All right, today we're going to bring a solar light. If you guys can see it, this is a large solar panel that's going to cover the entire area of the actual hardware. Now, just to be assured, make sure you put it in the direction of the sun, either throughout the day. Make sure there's no trees covering, or you're going to get partial charging of the actual battery in there. Now, they give you the actual mount here that goes right behind it, the pole itself. Now, they do give you another option that you could actually mount this against another pole too. So that's optional here. And I always use this as a template too when I'm setting them up. We do have a remote control. We got the sensor for motion sensor here. We got the power on and off. And then we got 2 hours all the way to 8 hours. So you could turn off the sensor and do dusk to dawn. Now, to turn it on, it's very simple. We're going to turn it around. Make sure you remove all the little plastics behind it. All right. Once you do that, the sensor's here. You hold down the power button to a couple seconds, 1, 2, 3, and then you let it go and it turns on. So you guys can see, this is very powerful, very bright. It has a couple of charge right now. So we're going to go ahead and leave it overnight charging. That's my recommendation. So right now we're going to turn it off. 1, 2, 3. It's off completely. All right, so we're here. This is where we're going to put it right here because we want to have it in front of our car. It's very dark in this area. The only light we have is a little far off. So we want to make sure we have an entrance here. Want to make sure when we throw out the trash, we won't have to step on anything. We have a little yard. Let's light it up. Let's set it up. To turn on the sensor, you can set up the motion sensor if you want. And then it blinks, it tells you that it's on automatically. All right, so you can set up dusk to dawn, but right now we set up the motion sensor. You can always turn it off. That's pretty much what you got to do. Right now it's low. If you guys can see, it just turned on high when somebody passes by.